You all go to see your doctors for different reasons, but you don't know what are the questions you can ask your doctor. In this episode, I'm going to give you 5 important questions which you have to ask your doctor every time you see them. The first important question is, what is the name of my problem, or what is the name of my diagnosis? The doctor usually takes history from you. They will also examine you, run through some tests. After this, you have to ask your doctor the name of the disease or the name of the problem you are suffering from. For example, say you have a tummy pain or stomach ache. This is not a diagnosis. This is only a symptom. The tummy ache could be due to acute gastritis. It could be due to peptic ulcer disease. It could be due to appendicitis, or it could be due to other conditions too. So it is important to get the diagnosis correctly after running through all these tests with your doctor. Next important question is, please ask for the different symptoms of your condition. For example, if you have peptic ulcer disease, you may have tummy ache. On top of that, you may have burning sensation in your chest. You may feel nauseous or vomiting. It is also important to know about the different symptoms of your condition from the doctor. Third important question is, please find out the seriousness of this condition. Is it mild? Is it moderate? Is it more severe or serious? If you know the seriousness of the condition, you can be even more prepared. Number 4, please check with your doctor what treatments are given. Sometimes medicines could be the main mode of treatment, but in many conditions, on top of medicines, there are also other kind of treatments given. For example, say you have severe pain in your knees. The doctor may prescribe you medicines. They may also offer other type of treatments like physiotherapy. So it is always important to check what kind of treatments are given. Number 5, check how long these treatments last for. Some treatments have to be given for days. Some treatments have to be taken for weeks, months, or even years. So it is important to know how long the treatment should be taken so that you can be prepared and you can come for regular follow-ups. To summarize, please ask these 5 important questions to your doctor. What is the name of the disease? And what is the name of my diagnosis? What are the symptoms of my diagnosis? How serious is this problem? What treatments are given? How long these treatments last for? On top of this, you may have specific questions which you can ask your doctor. It is also good practice to write it down in a paper and ask your doctor when you meet them. It is your right to know about your health condition from your doctor. As doctors, we have the duty of care to make the right diagnosis and offer you correct treatments for various health conditions. So please do not hesitate to ask your doctor and clarify your doubts. Thank you for watching.